What's up, my LP Nation? Welcome to a real quick and easy but very useful AE 101, so After Effects 101 series. I will show you, I promised you this in one of my last videos, how to protect your work with Watermark. So, Watermark is your logo, it's your trademark, let's say, if you have an artist name. In my case, that's LP, these are initials of my first and last name. I'm Lukaparac, so LP is like my brand. I have a lpstudio, but for my private channel I use just like handwritten LP inspired by my handwriting. So if I send this, let's say this is a video, but it's basically the same concepts go and principles go for videos and for images. The most important thing when you are protecting your work is that the work is visible to the client, so the client can review your work, especially when you're handing it in on contests on freelancer.com. But at the same time, it has to be almost impossible for the client to steal it, to clean it, and to steal the work. So this is a great example, because I will show you two types of watermark. First watermark is the watermark you see on my videos. So it's in the upper right corner of the screen. It's not meant to protect my work, because this work doesn't need any protecting basically. It's my private work, and it's me all over the videos. So if you're going to steal the work, you're basically going to promote me. So I don't care. So you have to distinguish watermarks for branding and watermarks as a means of protecting your work. If watermark's purpose is only to protect your work, then you will drag the watermark across the video or image. And now we will, because this is a very small watermark, I'm going to scale it. Let's say to 400. Okay. And the only thing you're going to do is I will put a drop shadow over it, and I will put an opacity to 50%. Okay, and I will duplicate it. I will drag one left, and I will drag one right. So, and let's make a third one. Okay, now I know it looks silly, but this is enough for the client to review the image or the video, you see, but it's also enough to protect it. Who would want to clean this? So yeah, that's a very efficient method. Now let's go to example number 2. Example number 2 is if you just want to brand your work, then it's easier. When you brand your work, it usually goes to upper right or lower right corner of your screen. Let's do it like this. I usually do it on 100% of opacity. Sorry. Okay. And I put it on the 81 axis, and this is 1850. Bam. And I put it to 66.66. Voila. And it has, of course, a drop shadow. Drop shadow is here. You see, when I turn off the drop shadow on the bright side of the screen, you don't see it so good. So I add a drop shadow so you can see it. Or you can just drag it down and put it here. I don't recommend doing this for YouTube videos, because as you know, you got your brand watermark or a subscribe button here added on the YouTube video on this part of the screen. That's why I am putting my in the upper right corner. And that's it, my LP Nation. Thank you for watching. See you in another episode of AE 101. If you like this video, also don't forget to sub, it means really a lot. I know I'm a bit boring with this sub, but yeah, that's a sign that you support my work. Thank you very much, my LP Nation, and see you in the next episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. It was your guy, LP. 'Cause I'm not your